Good morning, Miss Karen. How are you?
Fine. How are you, Taylor?
Doing good. So what procedure did you have done with Dr. Perry?
I came in and got 2 Prolozone shots, one on each knee.
Okay. And how did you feel before this procedure?
I was having difficulty walking without a brace on my right knee especially. And it was anytime I tried to do a twisting motion, whether, during the day or any kind of sports, it was very painful.
Okay. And how did you feel after this procedure?
Wonderful.
Okay.
Wonderful.
So you were able to get back to your sports then?
It's only been about a week, and I've been trying to take it easy, but I walk without any help now. I just was telling the doctor that I was walking around Sumter Landing and going up and down the stairs around the lake. No problems.
Perfect. So then hopefully you can return to your sports activities.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you for giving your testimonial this morning.
My pleasure.
All right.